Another bad word that salespeople use that we should get rid of is, go.
The word try.
Try. Talk to me about why we should eliminate the word try.
Try is very weak. I'll try to take care of that for you. Very weak. It's not going to be helpful. I will take care of that for you.
Right, or great question, let me figure out the answer on how we can take care of this for you and I'll get back with you. Right, if you're not sure if you can do it, and I love that. By the way, awesome addition with the word try. If you're not sure if you can do something, get their delivery ahead of schedule, bring support in for the installation, get them a discount. Man, that was fire, I should pay you. Instead of saying, I'll try to get you a discount. Great question. Now, in terms of a discount, can you help me understand what you're looking for in that? Well, you know, if we can get the contract done right now, if you can take 9% off, I can get it signed. Instead of saying, let me call Roth, my manager, I'll try to get that across the goal line, you sound much more skillful saying, you know, I'm not sure if we can handle that. We typically do not discount at all. I'm more than happy to bring that up with Roth. I should be able to talk to him about 2 o'clock this afternoon. I will get back to you with a yes/no answer on that by 2:30. Fair enough? Yeah, that works for me. You know what would help me as I'm bringing this up with Roth? No guarantees that I can get it approved, but if you guys could go ahead and just redline the contract with that 9% in there, execute it and sign it, that's going to give me a lot more ammunition when I go into his office to be able to see if he can get that across the goal line. Fair enough? Yeah, great. When can you have that over to me? Because I will then bring that into his office. Eliminate the word try. You either, yep, absolutely, you called the right person, I'll be able to do that, or I'm okay with you guys saying, no, we can't do that, right? Can you do 9% off? We cannot, we don't discount. Right? But eliminate that word try. That was an excellent one.